Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And I'm really sorry about last week. I was not able to uh, record any videos due to some uh, things going on at my home. But everything is settled down now. So this week is specifically for the Hot Wheels fans because a lot of people are asking about Hot Wheels. Why I'm not getting doing any Hot Wheels videos, and they're missing the Hot Wheels unboxing. So I actually bought quite a few. So this week we are going to unbox six from that list which I bought. So I bought a lot of premiums and I bought some 5 packs. So that includes Fast and Furious 5 pack and F1 5 pack and some neon speeders as well. But this week we are going to start with some premiums, which let me show you here. If you saw my shots, yeah, that is exactly it. So here is the first one, the custom GNC panel van. So I do love this van. I mean, I have this van in I think couple of iterations if I'm not wrong. I remember unboxing this on main lines, and I think there is one premium also which I unboxed if I'm not wrong. So at this point, I have a lot of Hot Wheels, so I'm not remembering how many versions I unboxed, but I remember that I unboxed something. I mean, when it comes to some specific cars or casting. Okay, so this is the second one. This is a Spider Mobile Dead Buggy. So this is the Spider Mobile, but this is a Deadpool version of it. So I really love the card art on this one. This is so Deadpool like, and personally, I am a Spider-Man fan, and I really love the bromance between Spidey and Deadpool all the time. So I wanted to unbox this, so I got it. I really don't have the premium version of Spider Mobile. The one which I unboxed back then, long back, was the mainline version. So I bought two of it. One I unboxed, and it is somewhere inside one of the storage boxes, which I have. Another one is still in the Spider-Man specific box. So this one I really wanted to see whether they did something different on this casting. That's the whole reason. That's the very first reason I bought it. So let's see. And this is the third one. So unfortunately, I was not able to get the entire set of this Fast and the Furious set, 5 piece set. So this was the only one remaining at the time. It's a 1967 Chevy Custom, as you can see. So I personally love trucks, so I bought it. And on top of that, so you can see it has Honda and the Mazda RX-7. Obviously, the one which I personally love, and I missed that out, the Aventador Coupe and the Chevrolet SS. Okay, personally, I love all of these cars, but Lamborghini being like, start of my car journey for myself. Okay, in the end of the day, so I didn't get that. So let's go with this one now. So I did see this entire Mario Kart set. Okay, this I bought in Hamleys. So these, okay, I bought all of this in Hamleys in one shot. So I built at same time. So yeah, so here it is. This is the Bowser Junior Flame Flyer. So I did see the entire set in the whole box, but I didn't want to buy the entire set because I'm not really that much fan of Mario Kart and all. I like Mario because that's the very first game like most of the gamers we started with. So I just wanted to buy the hero and the villain. That's it. So I obviously saw Princess Peach and what is the other lady's name? That blue dressed lady. I'm forgetting her name now. Okay, let it be. So last two are these. So this one is the normal Mario, but the circuit special car in this one. So we did unbox Mario Kart, like a year back when I came back from my Malaysia trip. That was the mainline version of it. So I was luckily able to get that one at that time. Okay, so here is my favorite. This is the Baby Mario B Dasher. I don't know what that means, to be very honest. If you guys know, just put it in the comment. I will learn from there. So I bought this one. That's it. So these six we are going to unbox this particular week. And next week I actually planned for some CC and then again Hot Wheels, something like that. So stay tuned for this, guys. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.